Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can reset this device through recovery mode. Now, doing this process will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, and I do have a pattern set just for this reason. So to get started, you're gonna hold power button, and we're then gonna select power off from the options. Now, when the device turns off, give it like 10 seconds or so afterwards, and from there you're gonna start holding power button and volume up at the same time. Now, chances are nothing will be happening for like 10-20 seconds or so. So if nothing happens, you can let go of the power button and start holding it again. Now, if you only see the ACER logo, again, that's not what we're looking for, so let's try that again. So I'm gonna let go of the power button, start holding it again, and there we go, that's what we're looking for. Anyway, and next, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and press volume down to confirm it. In here, we're going to use again volume buttons. This time around, we can use both volume up and down to navigate up and down. I'm going to start pressing volume down to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with the power button, select factory data reset, and you can see data wipe complete. Reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button to reboot the device. And this will continue resetting it in the background, which will take about 1-2 minutes or so to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.